In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extensions in Opera browser. By the end, you'll be confidently adding your favorite tools to Opera using the Chrome Web Store. First, open the Opera browser. Once it's up, click into the address bar at the top, where it says something like Enter Search or Web Address. This is where you'll type your query. Type Chrome Web Store and press Enter. In the results, select the official Chrome Web Store link. This is the marketplace where most Chrome-compatible extensions live, and Opera can install many of them seamlessly. On the Chrome Web Store page, you can browse featured picks or categories, or use the search box to find a specific extension by name. When you see one you're interested in, click it to open its details page. Take a moment to review the description, screenshots, star rating, and user reviews. Also, check the permissions listed so you understand what the extension can access. This helps you choose tools that match your privacy and workflow needs. When you're ready, click the Add to Opera button. Opera will show a confirmation prompt summarizing what the extension can do. Click Add Extension to continue. The extension will download and install automatically. You'll usually see a brief confirmation message, and in many cases, a small icon will appear near the top of the browser, indicating it's ready to use. If an extension requires extra setup like signing in or enabling a specific option, it will guide you with an on-screen message right after installation. If you ever return to the extensions page and see a button that reads Remove from Opera, that simply means it's already installed. And if you don't immediately see its icon, it may be tucked into the extension menu near the toolbar, where you can pin it for quick access. That's it. Open Opera, search for the Chrome Web Store, choose your extension, click Add to Opera, and confirm with Add Extension. You're all set to enhance Opera with the tools you rely on.